Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll talk about a new airdrop from where every user can make a huge profit as it is in the super early stage. It's from CORDNODE. It's a AI DEPIN mining project where you can mine their token, where you can earn token according to your Discord account age. They are in the super early stage. They have only 15,000 followers and they have 20,000 node users. If you mine today, it is the super early stage, you can earn more, you can earn a lot of token at the super early stage. You have already seen in the grass network, those who are in the early stage, they have mined thousands of grass token in the early stage in just a month, and in later it turned into a small tokens. So all the links are given in the description box. Click on the link and join my Telegram channel. There you will find all the links. Just click on the link and you will be redirect to this website cordnode.xyz. Just click on connect Discord. Connect your oldest Discord account. They will give you according to your Discord account age. You can also get an instant multiplayer according to your Discord age. Then click on connect Discord and connect your Discord account. I simply connect my Discord account. Click on continue. Click on authorize and you are done. Just reload the page and okay, it will take some time to process your account. Just wait for a minute. See that after login it shows that my Discord account is 4.6 years old and they give me a 2.5x multiplier, also a welcome bonus of 574 CP and also referral bonus. If you join with my link, you will get a referral bonus of 10% of your total CP you have earned in the welcome bonus. Since I have used my referral, it got me 57 CP. After that, click on start mining. Then it will show you your total cord balance. Just click on node and click on start node option. Sometimes it may show some kind of issue. Just click on retry and again start your node. Current my node earning is 2.5 cord per minute. If you can also increase your node mining if someone refers you or you refer someone, then it will increase your node mining speed. Currently my hourly rate is 75 cord per hour, daily 1800 cord, weekly 12,600 cord and 54,000 cord monthly. Every time you open your core account, when you open the browser, you just come to here and start mining. Click on start mining and it will start your mining. Here you can click on task. Here you will find different type of tasks. Just click on the first task, maintain 90% cord efficiency for 24 consecutive hours. Then it will give you reward for the 750 cord. Here you will find another, complete all 4 social media tasks to unlock massive bonus. Just click on here and you will be done. After completing all the tasks, just click on complete. Just simply click on complete, daily check-in, visit their Discord server. After that, click on claim reward, follow them on Twitter, claim your reward, retweet their post and claim your reward. Visit their Telegram channel, simply click on visit and you will be done. Claim. Here you can find the leaderboard. You can see that some of the accounts have 7 years old account. You can also find your account here in the leaderboard if you rank that high. Some have 6 lakh tokens, 600k tokens. You can also click on referral where you can find your referral link. Share your referral link and you will get some kind of bonus. You will get their 10% future. You will get if you share your referral link and someone clicks on the link and join the project, they will give you 10% of their future income and your friend will get 10% of everything they make. Whatever they make, they will get 10% extra bonus and you will get 10% extra of their total income. You can also share your referral code. I will give all the links and the referral code down below. You will get 10% extra bonus there. After that, come to your dashboard. Here you can see your current balance, cord mined per second, account age, node efficiency, and you can also see the alpha stage. Well, you can see that the alpha stage is remaining only 5 days. After that, they will launch their stage 1. Now it's in the totally in stage 0 stage. See, you can see that welcome to the alpha stage. You are the first experience to CORDNODE and enjoy the exclusive early access period before. Epoch 1 will be started after 5 days. It's in the very early stage. Just join it. And this is for today. I hope that you have find the video very informative. and I suggest you to join this airdrop as soon as possible within 5 days, because it is in this super early stage. You will get a huge mining reward also. So subscribe my channel, join my Telegram channel for new upcoming airdrop update. I share all types of updates related to airdrop, crypto, altcoins, and eventually meme coins. If you want to make some kind of money from crypto for free or by paying or by, you can do this. Just join my Telegram channel. I give all the links in the description box. Just join it. And this is for today. It's me Raj signing off.